All right. So yesterday, I said while we were doing the chat, I said if I was gonna be feeling a little more bullish if we cross 39.67, and we ended up rallying from there, um, hitting all our targets to the upside. Um, we left single prints in this area between, let's see, between a bunch, right? We left some single prints between 39.55 and 39.68. Another set at 39.70 to 71. Then another one from 39.80 to 39.81. Then we close with another spike, right? Like so, we push here, then we consolidated a little bit, and then we pushed again before the close. So when we have a spike like that, we want to see at the open. If we open above the spike, that's the most bullish scenario, right? So right now it looks like we're going to be opening above the spike. We want to look for an initial pullback and see if this holds, and then we keep moving higher. Or if we start trading inside the spike, that's a little more bearish. But the thing is that there's a lot of people that got trapped here, and that they're gonna wanna close as soon as we get to these levels, right? So we're gonna find a lot of buyers here. It's gonna be hard unless like we run out of buyers to get to move lower. I think every pullback right now is gonna be bought, especially at this level where we have the single prints. So that's what I'll be watching. So right now we're above the 200 moving average. We just crossed the 50. So what should happen is that we should test the upper side of this range, which is from 39.30ish all the way to 39. I'm sorry, to 40.30. Now the high of the range right here, it's a poor high. So keep that in mind, that if we get above this 40.25, which is the high of February 27, we might just repair this poor high. And then we have the monthly pivot right here at 40.41 that will, because it's the monthly pivot and because it's the top of that range, I don't know if we're gonna get much higher than that. But we also, remember, we have all this poor structure here, right? That needs to be repaired. We have a bunch of untested point of controls. We have poor high. We have a gap. I've been saying this last week. We never got there, but eventually all of this will be, sorry, excuse me. Eventually all of this will be repaired. Doubted that it'll be today. So what's the expected move for today? Let's see. So today we have an expected move of about 27 points, right? I know the expected moves lately has been, yesterday we did like double the expected move. So 27 points will put us around here, but let's say we do double like yesterday, it's still it'll put us around this area, right? Like 40 what 70ish, which is the first point of control. So my target is around here, my highest target. But if we keep moving higher, then look for a repair of all this poor structure. Okay, now on the low side, if for some reason we're able to get below this high volume node at 39.85 and sellers start coming out of where they're hiding, we're gonna start feeling the single prints. We have another high volume node at 39.68, which is the 365-day point of control. And and here, if you look, we have a low volume area at 3960, which, so I think this area is going to support. If we start filling the single prints, yesterday's point of control never moved up. So 3947 is still a magnet here if we get lower. So if we get lower, I think we're going to start pushing a little faster than we expect, because now everybody's looking at this and everybody's bullish. So I hope that makes sense, and good luck. And remember, be willing to change your mind quickly in this market and take profits quickly, because the moves happen very fast. All right.